There is a lady is there. She is working in some office. Morning to evening, full busy that lady. Full busy. Morning at 8 o'clock she will go. Night 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock she will come from the office. Monday to Saturday. And then Sunday off day. When she is getting some time to spend with the family is only Sunday afternoon she is getting some time to spend with the family. Sunday afternoon time. Okay. She is busy with household activities even that time also. Then she asked her boss, can you please increase my salary like that? No. Later we will do. Later we will do. Like he's always telling, later we will do, like this style only. What happened is, in this style only, this person later we will do like that lady approached me or approached some mentor. Sir, morning to evening full busy. Salary is not getting more. I'm not spending with my family. My kids are there. I'm not spending the time with my kids also. Believe me, it's very horrible. Can you please suggest some solution like that lady asked? Then automatically as a mentor, what I asked is, what all the activities you are doing in your office? Forget about you are not having any family life. It's a clear indication. Morning at 8, you are there in office means you have to start 7 or 6 o'clock only. Night at 9 or 10, you are coming from office means you are day gone. I can't ask what's your family life and so on. Already gone. Can you write what all the activities you are doing in office on the paper, on this paper, like I gave the paper? Believe me, she wrote 17 activities, friend. 17 activities. Sir, I'm doing this activity, this activity, this activity, this activity. Okay, like 17 activities. She wrote 17 on the paper. She wrote 17 activities, friend. Then what happened is, okay, perfect. So in your office, you are responsible to do all these activities. Yes, sir. Okay. Now what you will do is, can you please arrange among these 17 activities, which activity will provide highest result to the company? Highest result to the company, like activity number 4. Then give that activity as the number 1. Okay. Leave this activity. In the remaining 16, which activity will provide biggest results? Like I asked her. Then she told some activity number 7. Perfect. Next, which activity will provide next biggest result? Like another one activity like. So, these 3 activities, you are the expert. You are feeling joy to do. Next, because of this activity, your company is getting highest benefit. The remaining activities, is your expertization is required to do that? Like, no. My expertization is not required. Even office boy also can do some activities. Wow, wonderful. If office boy is doing some activities, why you are doing these many days? I don't know. Like, what you can do is, ask a meeting for your boss. Just to convey, boss, I'm doing these 17 activities. But for these 3 activities, company is going to get biggest results. Unnecessary, my time or my energy is wasting on these low-level activities. That is a big loss to the company only. Can you delegate the remaining 14 activities so that my full time I will concentrate only on these high-level activities only, so that your company is going to get more benefit? Like, better to explain to your boss. Then automatically, the boss identified, yes, perfect. I never think in this direction. Yes, correct. You told correct. Okay, I will delegate rest of the thing. There are some activities to some X person, Y activity, some other person like, he delegated, the boss delegated, only he kept one condition. If my productivity, because of my activity, if the company is getting a returns 3x, 4x, 5x, can you please double my salary? Better to keep that condition. Company definitely is going to accept, because 5x returns, 4x returns, just a double salary means a small amount only she is expecting. Why I have to worry? Okay, like, then what happened here? Just in 3 to 4 months only, 5x or 6x growth came because of that lady productive related activities. Salary got doubled. Salary got doubled. More peace of mind. She required to concentrate only these 3 activities only. Rest of the things by default gone. Remember that. Highest result activity where you are going to get, you require to spend more time there only.